Hello children, welcome to ASA Education. आज कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 101 Wren and Martin High School Grammar Book, Chapter 15, The Sequence of Tenses. Insert the correct tense of verb in the following. I waited for my friend until he. यहाँ पर आपको ऑप्शन है to come. What will be the correct tense of verb? तो यहाँ डायरेक्ट आंसर बताते हैं. I waited for my friend until he came. So long as the rain dash, I stayed at home. So long as the rain continued, I stayed at home. I did not know it until you dash. I did not know it until you spoke. He speaks as one who dash. He speaks as one who knows. He ran as quickly as he dashed. He ran as quickly as he could. He went where he dashed find work. He ran, he went where he could find work. Wherever there is a coal, you dash find iron. Wherever there is coal, you will find iron. He behaves as one dash expect him to do. He behaves as one may expect him to do. He ran away because he dash afraid. He ran away because he was afraid. He fled where his pursuers dashed not follow. He fled where his pursuers could not follow. As he dashed not there, I spoke to his brother. As he was not there, I spoke to his brother. The notice was published in order that all dash know the facts. The notice was published in order that all might know the facts. He was so tired that he dash scarcely stand. He was so tired that he could scarcely stand. You make such a noise that I dash not work. You make such a noise that I cannot work. He finished first, though he dashed late. He finished first, though he began late. His health has improved since he dashed India. His health has improved since he left India. As soon as he dashed the news, he wrote to me. As soon as he heard the news, he wrote to me. After the shower dashed over, the sun shone out again. After the shower was over, the sun shone out again. Whenever we dash, we talk of old times. Whenever we meet, we talk of old times. Answer the first question before you dash further. Answer the first question before you proceed further. Just as he dashed the room, the clock struck. Just as he entered the room, the clock struck. Now that we dashed safe, we stopped to take breath. Now that we felt safe, we stopped to take breath. Wherever he dashed, the people gathered to listen. Wherever he preached, the people gathered to listen. He speaks as though he dashed very angry. He speaks as though he were very angry. He was very angry. He ran because he dashed in a hurry. He ran because he was in a hurry. I do it because I dash to. I do it because I choose to. He advanced as far as he dashed. He advanced as far as he dared. He lost more than he dashed afford. He lost more than he could afford. He eats as much as he dash. Eats as much as he can. He rode as swiftly as he dashed. He rode as swiftly as he could. He locked the papers up so that they dash be safe. He locked the papers up so that they might be safe. He walked as though he dashed slightly lame. He walked as though he was slightly lame or he was slightly lame. He stayed at home because he dashed feeling ill. He stayed at home because he was feeling ill. I forgive you since you dash. I forgive you since you repent. He labors hard so that he dash become rich. He labors hard so that he may become rich. We shall wait here until you dash. We shall wait here until you come. He rested his horse for it dash. He rested his horse for it limped. You may sit wherever you dash. You may sit wherever you like. He went to Kolkata that he dash find work. He went to Kolkata that he might find work. I would die before I dash. I would die before I lie. They come to see us as often as they dash. They come to see us as often as they can. I studied hard in order that I dash succeed. I studied harder in order that I might succeed. He dashed so hard that he is certain to succeed. He works so hard that he is certain to succeed. She told me that she dash come. She told me that she would come. He would succeed if he dashed. He would succeed if he tried. I asked him what I dash do. I asked him what I could do. He came oftener than we dashed. Came oftener than we expected. I would not attempt it if you dashed me. I would not attempt it if you asked me. He walked so fast, then I dashed not overtake him. He walked so fast, then I could not overtake him. तो ये थी आपकी एक्सरसाइज नंबर 101. अच्छी लगी, समझ में आई, सब्सक्राइब करिए आसा एजुकेशन. मिलते हैं अगली एक्सरसाइज में.